Hi everybody, my name is Wayne Liang, the Aragon watch designer. I want to quickly give an update to everybody about the Caprice Pilot automatic. So the sand dial is gone. It was very fast sold out yesterday, right after our debut. And then blue was the second best-selling dial color yesterday. And believe it or not, white quickly surpassed the blue dial. So right now, white dial is number one because sand is gone. Blue is number two, and then gray, and then purple. I also want to quickly give an instruction on how to install the deployant clasp. Okay, it's a very, very cool option. It's not very expensive as well. If you install it, it will make your your leather strap or your silicone strap or your rubber strap to make it look like a one-piece uniform strap. So I'm going to do this very quickly. I'm going to move all the watches away so we have more rooms on the table to show you how it's being done. So I'm going to select the gray, and so you need to, for the Aragon Caprice Pilot, you need to get a 22 millimeter. Is an add-on next to the page. The lug is 24 millimeter, but the strap tapers down to 22. So I'm going to lay this down on the table, okay, and I'm going to show you the tool that I advise you to get. Is also an add-on on our website. Is a flat screwdriver and a puncher. This is very useful. You can use the puncher to size your bracelet, and also you can use the puncher to push the spring pins out. I'm going to show you how to do it. So all right, here we go. So the first thing I would do is I would turn my strap around, and I will use a flat screwdriver, and then I would just click. Okay, remove this and remove the tongue. That's what we call it, and then insert it back in. And then the next steps I would do is turn it upside down. See, this is up, this is down. Okay. So the best way to do it is you hook one side and then do the other. Got it. All right. So now I want to make it very clear. Even though this is looks like a regular deploying clasp, okay, these are all custom made for Aragon. The reason why is this is 5 millimeter in thickness. If you get an off-brand, that might be only 3 millimeter, and then it would not be able to fit. So I highly encourage you, okay, to get the Aragon deploying clasp. So right after this, what you need to do, you pry open with your thumb like this, and then use the other side of the strap, and then select the hole that you are needed. Okay, so I have a small wrist. I know my size will be here. So I'm going to quickly select this, and then I'm going to do this. It's not there yet. And there you go. Push and lock, right? So make sure it doesn't go anymore. So, and I will show you what it looks like after I put it on my wrist. So here's the watch, and I'm going to do it on the regular side. So I would make sure I move the loops all the way up first. Okay, and then I wear it, and then I close one side, and then close the other side. Feels like a bracelet, look, it's really cool. And then I quickly move down the loop. Okay, then do it the other one. And that's how it is. Look, very nice. And then when you want to open it, so you just press both buttons and it comes right off. Well, thank you so much. That was a quick demonstration to show everybody, and I hope you enjoy it, and see you next time.